श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद Shankaram Lokashankaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. On this auspicious day of Vijayadashmi, I am launching my YouTube channel Dharma Anushtanam. Namaskaram everyone. Here I am going to present a series of lectures on Hindu Dharma. Long time I had a question, what is the definition of Hindu? As a Hindu, what are we supposed to do? What are our responsibilities? If you look at the other religion, they have well defined responsibilities. For instance, if you take Christianity, we all know Lord Jesus Christ is the founder of the religion. Every Christian must take the Bible and go to church every Sunday. Similarly, Prophet Muhammad is the founder of Islam, given that all Muslims read Quran and attend Friday prayers in the mosque. As a Hindu, what are we supposed to do? What is our holy book? Which temple should we go to? Should we go to temple daily or weekly basis? This series meant to address the above intent. In general, Hindus are irresponsible, undisciplined, and lethargic towards their duties. Neither they are aware of their responsibilities nor show any interest to learn and perform. Sorry to use such strong words. At the same time, we cannot dismiss this fact. I am an amateur Vedic scholar. With my limited knowledge, I had discussions with my friends about Hinduism. Some of the popular queries I dealt with. Who is the founder of Hinduism? Why does Hinduism have so many gods and goddesses, unlike other religion which has only one? Do Hindu gods have many wives? What is the holy book of Hinduism? Can I be spiritual instead of religious? Importance of Shraddha Karma, importance of Kashi and Ganga. Does Hinduism discriminate based on caste? Can ladies chant Veda and Vishnu Sahasranama? Does Hinduism promote vegetarian food? Why Sandhyavandanam is not prescribed for entire mankind? Can a person from other caste become a priest in temples like Chidambaram and Srirangam? What is Dvaitam, Visishtadvaitam and Advaitam? What is Brahmin? What are the prime duties of a Brahmin? Now, let's conclude this episode with our mission, vision, and values. So, what is going to be the definition of a mission? To promote values of Sanatana Dharma. Vision to make every Hindu, especially Brahmin, aware of their prime duties. Values, truth, and righteousness. Discipline. Our video content will be of length approximately 3 minutes. On average, there will be a video content every month. Disclaimer. This series intends to revitalize the values of Sanatana Dharma. Our content never meant to promote racism, discrimination, disharmony, encourage caste, creed, or any division. 99.99% of our video guarantees that. Ram Ram.
भजत